Namaste, India, and good afternoon, my dear friends. How are you all? I hope all of you are good at home. I'm doing great. So let's begin. Today's topic is a continuation of yesterday's topic, as some of them pinged me regarding they wanted few more tips. So here you go. Tip 1, Rule of 3. I hope you remember my rule of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, it's on a similar line. So, rule of 3 says 3 things to see, 3 things to touch, and 3 things to move. What are the 3 things that I see right now? I see my phone, I see the plants around me, and I see this cloth which is hanging behind me. What are the 3 things that I can touch? See, I can touch my nose, I can touch my specs, and I can touch my phone which is in front of me. What are the 3 things that I can move? I can move my eyes, I can move my lips, and I can move my hands. So, this exercise is going to help you calm down and get you to the present situation, which is very important right now. Tip 2, Research. Research is very important for both the parents and the students who are planning to pursue their further career in particular field. Let's say, for example, class 10 students have to do a thorough research in all the three fields, that is commerce, science, and arts, to know what their interest is. And also, this will help the parents also know the interest of their kids. Then, coming to class 12, they should do a research on the field that they are opting for. Now, we have many fields open for us unlike the days before. So you need to do a good amount of research, the colleges which are available for those kind of courses, and also help your parents know about those courses and help and make them sit with you for the research, because this is going to help both you and the parent understand into what you are going to get into. Same goes with the UG students. PGs have to do a thorough research on the future of the subject that they are pursuing. Yeah, so it's a very important time and a very good time for a quality research to know about our future. Tip 3 is, guys, is to take up the online tests. Now, I'm sure all of us have been studying. So, it's a very good time for us to take up an online test, because this online test is going to help you know where you stand. Because sometimes when we do the correction, we might be unfair because we are writing the test and we are only correcting it. So, when the test is conducted online, or probably if you could ask somebody else to correct it, it will help you know about what knowledge you have about that subject. So, guys, I hope these three tips could help you out. And, guys, stay tuned, take care, and namaste and jai hind.